Hey guys, so आज मैं क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ ये very soft peachy valentine makeup looks. It's very springy, very glowy and looks very fresh to me. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So सबसे पहले I'm gonna hydrate my face using a face mist and then I'm gonna be using a hydrating primer for a very glowing base. Just gonna apply it all over my face. Then next I'm gonna be mixing my foundation with a face oil ताकि जो हमारा base है वो काफ़ी glowing लगे और मेरी skin में वो काफ़ी चमकी और काफ़ी fresh लगे. I'm just gonna dab it all over my face and just gonna blend the foundation with a beauty blender. Be applying concealer under my eyes and eyelid area. I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna set my whole face with a loose powder and I'm gonna dust off the extra. So एक light color eyeshadow को use करूँगी as my transition shade all over my eyelid and then this blush shade को use करूँगी as my main eyeshadow and then I'm gonna blend it out and then I'm gonna use this golden shimmery eyeshadow on the middle of my eyelid ताकि वो काफ़ी चमके and then I'm gonna blend it out again. I'm gonna apply very thin kajal on my upper eyelid and some eyeshadow on my lower waterline under the eyes actually so that it can look very good and it look put together. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. I'm just gonna press them to give it more like a structure. And I'm gonna curl my lashes and of course coat them with the mascara. Now I'm just gonna do my blush, contour and highlight using a face palette. Actually extra highlight. I'm just gonna add some very good highlights so that my face looks very glowy. So today I'm gonna be mixing two lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics to make a very peachy nudish sort of shade, and I just got the perfect shade by mixing these two. It looks very cute and very pretty. And voila, this springy Valentine makeup look is complete. I love my base. My base looks very skin-like, very glowy, very hydrating, very glowy. I love the base, and this makeup looks so perfect for a date out or like a night out also. And for a picnic, I think it looks good too. This is very fresh, very subtle, not over the top. You can wear it with almost any clothes, I guess. And it looks very fresh to me. My skin just looks so perfect to me in this base. I just love all over the look, the hair and everything, and I hope you too like the look. And if you do, so make sure to like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.